Roast capsicum coulis, well, roast capsicum sauce pretty much. This is incredibly easy to make, using only a few ingredients. You'll notice that I'm not using A1 red capsicums, there's no need to, and overly ripe capsicums are sweeter as well. So cut out any massively, shocking blemishes. Otherwise, just wrinkly skin doesn't matter, mild discoloration doesn't matter. Use as much of the capsicum as you can, and capsicum like this is about $1.20, $1.50 a kilo rather than $8 or $9 a kilo. See how I'm not using any of the seeds? They'll give the sauce a slightly bitter taste. Cut the capsicum up roughly. To the Americans watching, bell pepper. Note with the tomato, again I'm not using perfect tomatoes. These are lovely locally grown tomatoes. I'm keeping the eye in as well. Just very, very basic, roughly cutting these up. Garlic, just bruising and crushing with the back of my knife. Onions, cutting up coarsely as well. You can use white onions or even shallot at a pinch. Dry saute off everything. Stir it frequently so it doesn't catch, and on a very, very high heat. You can see how I'm starting to get some colour in there. Yeah. At this stage you need to watch it like a hawk. It's almost black in some places now, and so I'll be adding the veg stock. Bring that to a rapid boil. Reduce it down just a little bit. And then I'll bake this in the oven. Okay. Season it before I bake it. And this is after it's been baked. Puree it, and then I pass it through a fine sieve. Now bake it in the oven at 185 for half an hour, then I stir it. Bake it for another 10 minutes, stir it, another 10 minutes, stir it, and another 10 minutes. So an hour in total at 185. So I'm passing this through a fine sieve. You can pass it through a moulie as well, and that's just to remove any seeds from the tomato and skin. As you can see, that's starting to dry out. Push through as much as you can, scrape the bottom of the sieve, plate it up, use it as a pasta sauce or a dip. Incredibly easy.